How to verify your identity on Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can verify your identity on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, verifying your identity has many reasons as to why you'd want to do it. You might want to make Bitcoin transaction or maybe send money on Cash App, which will ask you to verify. Now, what are the things you need to have to verify your Cash App account? One is a legal phone number that you have if you're from the UK and the US, because Cash App only works on these two countries. Then you need to have a legal document. It could be a driver's license, your social security number, or your national citizenship ID, or your passport. Anything that is issued by the government, any sort of ID verification is accepted. So you need to have this, and then you need to have Cash App, of course. So you open Cash App. To verify your account, you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Here you'll find all the sorts of options over here. So what you can actually do is you can go to this personal tab. Here, just make sure that first you have added your phone number, so tap on add phone number option. Now after you do that, if you don't see the identity verification, so as you can see, even I'm not being able to find here, you can also go to documents tab and then just try to verify your account here. But now what we will do is, if you're not finding option here, come to this little home tab. Then here you'll find cash balance. Whenever you try to add a Cash App will automatically ask you to verify your identity. So tap on add cash option here. Try to add any amount of cash. Once you have done that, you tap the add. Now you can see it says please verify your identity to continue using Cash App. So tap on continue. Then here you can see it says you need to verify your identity to continue. So it says we need to make sure you're really you. It should only take a few minutes and helps keep Cash App's account safe. So tap on the continue button here. Now as you have done this, it will ask you, now make sure this is a legal date of birth that is on your documents, because if the details you enter now is not going to match the details that you show up later in your documents, depending upon what document you're going to provide, your account will most likely not get verified. So make sure that it is the legal date as well. So mine is 19/02/2002. Then you tap the next option. Now after this, the last 4 digits of social security number. Now unfortunately I don't have a social security number because I'm not from the UK or the US. I'm only making this tutorial for you people. So you want to make sure you enter the last 4 digits of a social security number. Then you tap the next option. On the next page, it will ask you to enter your first name, your last name. It will also take you to the page where you can upload your documents. So make sure you click the photo of your document, you submit it. Cash App will verify all the details just like a KYC verification, and then they'll be able to, after a couple of days, hopefully within 24 hours, your account should get successfully verified. So just fill in the documents, and this way you can verify identity on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.